like एक app है, right? Like this is an app, so neat. Like the fact that we're using Zoom, so neat and delicate. कितनी बढ़िया है, elegant है. Those screens हैं, यहाँ पे नीचे नए नए buttons है, right? But the back end of that, any designers in the chat will know exactly what I'm talking about. The back end of apps, the back end of software is so complicated, so the outside looks palatable, right? That's exactly what you want to do with writing, where you break down complex ideas to the point that they're so simple कि जो पढ़ता है बोलता है ये तो कोई भी लिख सकता है. गलत, ऐसा नहीं है. वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए ना, you've had to lose so much. Literally, it's a process of deletion. सब कुछ delete करा so that essence remains. And then people are like, ये तो मैं भी लिख सकता हूँ. अच्छा, you know, like for example, इसने will power पे 2 लाइनें लिखी हैं, तो मैं भी लिख सकता हूँ. Well, there are 2 ways to get to the line, right? One is write the first thing that comes to your head, post it. The other thing is write a bunch of different things, find the sharpest version of that, cut it out to be even more sharper, and post that. The thing is, तुम्हें आराम से पता लग जाएगा कौन सा first thought है और कौन सा वो है. But people don't see that. That's why. See, there is no standard uniform body that governs writing, which is both a blessing and also a bane, because की चूतियाबंदी प्रमोट होती है. ठीक है, बिना स्टाइल गाइड के, बिना राइटिंग कंसिस्टेंसी के बहुत सारे लोग इतने उच्च दर्जे पे चले जाते हैं बिना ग्रामर, बिना स्टाइल के बारे में सीखे. ठीक है, और उसका फायदा ये है कि as a result you don't have to stick to one kind of writing, you can do multiple kinds of writing. So you know, another sort of discussion that we can get on.
Right. Very interesting. So a lot of it depends on deletion, huh? Like I end up removing a lot of those parts that I do not like.
Yes. That sometimes you may like those parts. There's this very interesting idea in plays and writing. It's called murdering your darlings. कई बार ना, we're in love with sentences, we're in love with a specific idea due to some emotional attachment or the fact that we find ये तो मेरा original insight है, ये तो मैं डालूंगा ना तो उससे मैं महान prove होऊंगा. Sometimes it stands in the way of communication. Because you're so invested in the idea, it actually becomes a hindrance. ऐसी बात नहीं है. Sometimes the stuff that you're invested in from your gut actually happens to be great. But sometimes it just doesn't fit with the piece. It's another piece. It's another conversation. Maybe it's not an essay. Maybe it's a tweet. Maybe it's, you know, the response to a tweet. You know what I mean? So you have to be very relentless with कि यार मेरे को अच्छा लगा, वाह clean मजेदार sentence है. But with this piece जो मेरा intent है, let's say मेरा intent है मेरे को एक marketing की कोई चीज बेचनी है, या मेरा intent है कि मेरे को एक email भेजना है. That little nifty comment that I think is cool, that I'm patting myself on the back for, that maybe not for this email. That's for another email. तो ये चीज कर पानी ना is something that a lot of writing professors teach, but I don't think enough students do. They do the easy part, which हम free writing की बात करते हैं. They get the first draft down, but barely anyone. And you and I both know, like, except for the fact कि in school के अंदर the only time you would rewrite something is rewrite a debate or rewrite a speech. When it comes to the entire CBSE की English education, I don't think we even like stopped in our exam or when we were reading on our notebooks and writing in our notebooks to rewrite an answer. We would never do that.